The TRQ driver and passenger side headlight assembly set is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade or replace their headlights on a 2008 to 2012 Jeep Liberty. This set, compatible with part numbers CH25029196, CH25029199, CH25039196, and CH25039199, provides a perfect fit for both the driver and passenger sides. The quality of the materials is evident, ensuring durability and reliable performance over time. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for those with limited automotive experience. The precise fit eliminates the need for modifications, saving both time and effort. One standout feature is the enhanced brightness and clarity the headlights provide. They significantly improve nighttime visibility, which is crucial for safe driving. The clear lens design gives a sharp and clean look, refreshing the overall appearance of the Jeep Liberty. These headlights are not just functional, they also add to the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. The packaging is secure, ensuring the